SprinklerRotors.com.
Hello, good people. I'm Jerry. Nice to meet you. Hope everyone is safe and well after the major hurricane that we just had in Texas. I'm praying for you guys and asking that you guys be at peace and power supplied soon. All right, let's get into it. Today, I just want to show you guys briefly on how to connect 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch rotors, sprinkler rotors, and pop-up spray heads to fittings. So first, we'll start off with a quick 1/2 inch PVC pipe with a 1/2 inch male adapter. Just connect like so. Take the pop-up sprinkler head, 1/2 inch to 1/2 inch, screw it on. There you go. That's just a quick connect. Also, this part of the sprayer is the stem. And when you go to purchase these and they say 4-inch pop-up spray heads, the measurement is actually the measurement of the stem. The stem is popping up 4 inches, not including the nozzle, okay? Just for your valuable information. All right, next we have rotors. We got Rainbird has theirs, Hunter has theirs, and Orbit has theirs as well. And with the Orbit, it's very similar, and the rotors are very similar to pop-up spray heads. They also consist of a stem, spring, and a nozzle, which rotates. This is mixed to the rotor. This part of it rotates. You might be able to hear that. Guys getting some work done outside from the storm, but this is the rotor, okay? It does have, like I said before, you get a spring, stem, which is this long black piece inside, which is the measurement of when you're buying rotors and pop-up sprayers. They're actually, when they say 4-inch or 2-inch, they're basing it off of the length of the stem, which is inside right here. This black tube coming up, that's the stem, okay? And that's what they're basing the measurements off of. So if you're going to purchase a 4-inch pop-up sprinkler head, don't think that it's going to be 4 inches. It's actually, they're basing the length of it off of the stem, okay? Next, if you want to do a quick connect for 3/4 inch, you have your 3/4 inch tubing, your quick connect with a 3/4 inch coupling, connect it to another 3/4 inch tubing. You want to go up with a 90-degree elbow to 1/2 inch. All right, guys outside are loud because they're cleaning up from the storm, but real quick, you want to take a 1-inch PVC, 1-inch coupling, quick connect with another 1-inch. So you go 1-inch to 1-inch coupling to 1-inch PVC. And it's coming across with a 90-degree angle, leading up to a male 1/2 inch. So with that 1/2 inch, there's the spray system. Quick connect. All right. Now to glue these together, I do like to use Blue Monster. Because it's blue. And with the Blue Monster, it's very good to use in wet or dry conditions. That means if it's raining outside and you got to do a quick fix on broken PVC, you take that Blue Monster, run it around both ends of your fittings, connect them, give it a 1/2 turn twist, and it's connected. And in the sun, the same way. It seems like it's even faster when it's hot outside. But if there's water running out of the pipe, it would not stop Blue Monster from doing its job. Okay, you guys, that's it for now. Thank you. Stay safe. See you again real soon. Check me out at SprinklerGuyJerry.com. If you have any questions, find me on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, X, and also LinkedIn. Thank you.
Ready? Get this in the camera.
Yeah,
That
that's
camera.
fine.
This camera. This.
Yeah.
It's in it?
Yeah. Is that fine?
Good for you? Okay. tears away. And I felt the pain and heartbreak. And I've seen the brighter days. And I prayed prayers to heaven from my lowest place. And I have held your blessing. God, you give and take away. No matter where I have, your grace is enough. And no matter where I am, I'm standing in your love. On the mountains I will bow my life to the one who set you there.
SprinklerGuyJerry.com